What difference will it make if a leading mobile manufacturing company come up with 5 more new apps and much more sophisticated camera, which is neither affordable nor useful to the vast majority of people on planet? Is the current innovation wheel rightly aligned? Are there some countries or organizations in the name of innovation pushing new product and services that does not add any value? Is that one more their sophisticated way to increase their revenue from their last quarter? What is driving this behavior? Let's understand what true innovation means. Innovation in the simplest term is adding value to the life of people with either product or services that remain still unaddressed with the plethora of product and services in the market. It should be a response to address the existing offerings and not necessarily a drive to spend more money at much faster rate. But what we see, the current innovation wheel is dominated by continuous influx of products to maintain the market share only and not necessarily changing the life of people for better, especially at the grassroots level. There is an apparent disconnection of what needs to be innovated and what is being innovated. Apart from fewer innovations, a large amount of product and services that are thrown in the market is nothing but one more way of getting more money. What we see, these enterprising people are more geared to push product and services with very little demand for it. No wonder these companies are failing one step or the another. But on the other hand, when this innovation is triggered with the whole agenda to increase the market share, it's already a wrong start. It's sure to get fail. Innovation, when it's not touching the vast majority of people, it's nothing but the intellectual jugglery. The future of innovation, and irrespective of where you live, it's all about making things simple, affordable to vast majority of people. And the living situation, especially in the third world countries, gives the right hope. Let's closely understand the economic hardship, the resources crunch, the weaker infrastructure. That gives you unlimited possibility for innovation. What's the point inventing something that will be used in some countries only? But when the innovation wheels are geared to come up with product and services that are not only cost effective but also addressing vast amount of people, then a revolution can happen. The same product and services will also be used by people even in the affluent countries. After all, who would deny to get a better product and services at much cheaper rate? A true innovation should be cost effective, should touch life of maximum people. It is a way of changing their lives. In order to make that possible, 3 things should happen simultaneously. We need the strong vision of business people who get unite to understand what needs to be done, where they have to be in constant touch with the life of common man. That gives the possibility and vision of what needs to be innovated. And finally, unconditional commitment from the government to allocate resources to make this happen. If this is true, then what we see is a continuous, never-ending possibilities for innovation that is not just limited to the Western countries, but it can touch the life of maximum amount of people. Thank you.